want like this, then just send me the link. And if you want any specific section, let's say you like how can I say, then let's say you like this section only in this template. So you
Yeah.
can just take a screenshot and give me as a reference so that I could draw.
Okay. All right. Yeah, I can do
And
that.
yeah, your domain hostings and logo, they are ready now.
No, I have to get a logo made.
Okay.
I've got the domain and the hosting. I was just going to use. I have another hosting, um, uh, a host pupper we use for another website, but
Okay.
um, yeah, like I'm actually having a little bit of trouble with them. So I would potentially, if you want to offer me one service, a good price, I'm happy to potentially use a different host.
Okay. Yeah, I could suggest hosting. Hostinger is wonderful from my experience. So it's super fast and pretty user friendly. You can try that Hostinger. And for the logo, if you want, I could. If you give me some idea or reference, I could also make. I have a team, so I could also make the graphics for you if you want.
Okay.
And yeah,
Um, I uh, yes and no. Because I just don't have an idea what I want yet.
okay,
What I might do is I've got a friend who's got a sign company,
okay.
and I might just ask him personally. I said, "Do you want to design me a logo for plasterboard?"
Okay,
So,
no problem. Yeah.
and if he's too busy, I might just send you another message and ask if you can send me some stuff. I'll pay for it, but just yeah, send me some ideas, see if I like them as well.
Okay. Got it. Okay, so what is your, how much your budget for only the development, the site, for the website,
Um,
not
yeah, the website I thought no like around no more than 500 because it's so simple that
okay.
it doesn't have a lot of it's gonna have three products on it, like and a
Yeah.
very simple, like it doesn't need to be complicated. So I didn't think it would need a lot of work. And I thought 500 is a very good price to have
Yeah,
enough
it's
time. Yeah.
definitely very good price. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So when we could start, I'm ready anytime to start new work.
Okay. All right. Now I I don't know what the time difference is, but it's middle of the night for me, and I'm normally asleep. So this is a love project.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
my
Mhm.
communication is going to be a bit at the wrong time of day. I think maybe for you.
Okay, no problem. You can take time. No
Yep.
problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Uh,
And do you have any time frame for this project?
Um, just sort of as soon as we can get it done.
Okay.
Obviously, yeah. Like if we start in a few days and it takes a week or so, um, that's fine. I don't need it in 3 or 4 days. I just need it done as I think you'll be waiting for me more than I'll be waiting for you. So
I maybe I don't understand. I mean, how many days? Like 3 weeks? Like what they say?
yeah, like just between 1 to 20 days, like not
Oh,
very long.
yeah. That's perfect. I think no need 20 days. 10 days is enough if you have the all contents like the texts, images. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't have any images, anything. So I was hoping you would source all that for me.
Okay. Okay, no problem. If you need more time, I could wait. Even when you have available, we could implement. But we could start if you have domain and hosting. Just give me the access. I will start the work, and I need few things clear about the designing part. So I'll request you if you have time to see the your competitor or reference some sizes, and I already given you link for see the designing part.
Yep.
Just to, just to give me a good idea about the design so that I could start work.
Yeah, it'll be, yeah, I've got an idea of already the couple websites you show me. I like the picture on the right side and the words on the left side when
Yeah.
you first open the page.
Mm.
So like your the first window you see, because it can be like products, like a fan of products, like one, two, three.
Yeah.
And I'll actually look at websites that already have products laid out like that, and I'll just screenshot them and
Mm-hmm.
give you an idea of sort of what my mind can see.
Yeah.
And then under that, I just feel like maybe just like three windows with each product, and under the windows maybe a button for each one, or like yeah,
Yeah. Yeah. I have
yeah, I don't know.
I have something on my mind.
Mm-hmm.
Already, we discussed about the sliding part. There will be the three slider with the three product with their description, and the
Yep.
below we could say something about your company, like about section, small about
Yeah,
section.
that could. Yep, just to break it up. Yep.
Then we could make a carousel with no need carousel because you have only three product. So just showcase the three product like the product grade, like what like this. There will be three product like this way, and then below we could write about the product feature or something like Bambuni.
Yeah. So yeah, that product underneath is the on the hut.
Something like this. They about the qualities. Something like we could make a sections, and then one FAQ section if you want, and a contact form if you want, and then footer.
Yeah. Contact form. Yeah. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, maybe that's a good idea. Like the products swiveling, an about us section, the three
Mm-hmm.
products,
Yes, yes.
and
Oh,
then under that.
another thing, we could make also a testimonial section like this, the client carousel.
Nah, I don't want that. It's like I really want it very, very simple.
Okay, okay,
Yeah. So no testimonial. Um, yeah, like really simple. Just the people that I want to buy it, I want them to, the people that I think will buy this will already know what they're trying to buy. So they won't need a testimonial, but they will need a description of the product.
okay,
And that's what will, that will make their decision. They'll be like, okay, yes, this is the product that I'm looking for. And then they'll just go straight into the buy section. And then they'll, most people will order like 10, 5 to 10 sheets, and they may order different sizes of each one. So I need it to be easy for them to go between product and purchasing. Does that
okay.
make sense?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I got it.
Yeah.
So it's
So if they buy,
totally, yeah, neat and clean and user friendly. So easily user could understand. Yeah, that is your service,
yeah,
and from here they could buy.
yeah, maybe even maybe on the purchasing page for the product where the sizes are, maybe it could have a counter for each size so that they can add um, one product. They can pick three of one size, two of another size, two of another size,
Mm-hmm.
and then it will go to cart. And then maybe under the cart button, we can have buy now or go to cart button.
Yeah.
Just, yeah, because this product, it goes on the walls,
Mm.
and in a room, one wall might be one length and the other wall might be another length. So they'll end up buying multiple lengths.
Yeah.
Yeah. Does that make sense? Like that part needs to be pretty easy to navigate with really
Yeah.
simple choices, but enough so that they don't have to keep going to different web parts of the web page to put an order through.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah,
Yeah.
I got your structure and what you want.
Yeah,
Okay.
cool.
Yeah. Now just we have to implement. So I will do according you. If need any changes, so you could also suggest me. You can do the like this. You can change this. I mean, we have to do actually together. You will just guide me. I'll do.
Yeah. All right. This is good.
Yeah. Do you have any more question?
No, that's it. Yeah, you're very good at selling. It's just it's very nice, and you get it's good ideas. So thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. And yeah, research yourself and let me know when we could start the work.
All right, great. I will.
Yeah. Good night.
All right. Good night. Thank you.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye bye.